pizza. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Alex with Student Drivers. Pardon me for shaving my face off. I look like a 18-year-old pedophile, but that's besides the point. Today we have a treat for you. We will be working on an Audi S5, putting on my favorite exhaust I've ever heard. We're going to be switching it from an ECS exhaust to a, oh god, I can't remember the name of it at the moment. Oh my gosh, you'll see in a minute. It's one of the coolest sounding exhausts. Also one of the coolest Audi S5s I have ever seen. It's my buddy Brandon who owns it. And yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna go drop off the Joker. It's raining outside and I really don't like driving this in the rain. So stay tuned. We're gonna go pick up some Costco pizza. If you're new, like, subscribe, you know what to do. We'll be right back. Crappy ECS quality, man.
Just have them sitting there, just leave space.
Time to play exhaust Tetris. We got the ECS exhaust out too. Good old downpipes. That would be a pain in the ass to get new ones in there. Damn.
I mean, I had a ticket for passing a bus, and a ticket for I'm just a dumbass. Passing a bus with one.
Ew. Ew. Yes. As you can see, perfect fitment. I mean, just look at that. Well worth the $5,000 he spent. That's so stupid. Only the tip.
Oh, that's sexy.
Yeah.
Huh?
Nope, only one tip on each side. They look like, in this video, they look like owl eyes.
This one?
Yeah, that way.
On this one?
That's just the whole thing in general. That's good. And then just like we did on your, push that up. There we go. Perfect.
$6,500 for it. I think you should start it.
We have to remind him every time.
Like anytime it looks wrong, this was $6,500, Brandon.
Yay, keep it off there.
This slides right off. It's coming. Yeah!
Fantastic. To the scrapyard you go.
Yeah, to the scrapyard you go.
Be like, sorry, I can't return this. You're abused. Let's see.
It's not gonna be that loud.
No, it's not. Wow, it sounds like ass. No, I'm kidding. Under load, this thing sounds like a monster.
Oh, dude, that fitment is perfect right here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That sounds really good.
No, this actually sounds like it should, like professional. Yeah, I like this sound way more. Twice. He's got a semi.
Yeah.
Look at
So
this.
clean, dude.
It looks so clean, but the car itself, man. Yikes. What? Oh, I was just playing tic-tac-toe on the dirt in your car. Woo!
Yeah, we'll get some video
I love it.
Look at all that the leakage.
Why the hell would you pay $6,000 for an exhaust like this?
VTEC.
VTEC. You heard that, guys. He's not launching.
Nice Volkswagen, bro.
Oh my gosh, I need one of those. I am really curious. I hope you guys appreciate what we're doing for you. Brandon's putting his phone at risk. Like, look at this. Look at this. You can't. Just so that we can get a sound clip of his exhaust. Look at that carbon fiber. Or is that snake skin? And then somebody rear ends you right on the phone.
You're gonna have to find a way to press record. That's recording. Oh, it is? Oh.
Is it actually? What?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that bitch ain't going anywhere. Watch you accidentally tape over the mic, though. I can't hear a damn thing.
No, that's what I'm making sure it
This is student drivers out on a little bit of a night with our cars. Look at this lineup, boys. 2 built Evo 10s. Gotta love it. Oh my God. We'll see how she does.